Ever imagined an examination that combines the finance, religion, and auditing all at once? Welcome to the world of Certified Sharia Advisor and Auditor, or the CSAA. It's like being a financial Sherlock Holmes but for the halal investments. This certification is offered by AAOIFI, the accounting and auditing organization for the Islamic financial institution based in Bahrain. Think of AAOIFI as the Oxford of Islamic finance. Very serious, very global, and very detail loving. The CSAA qualification is your ticket to becoming a Sharia compliance expert for the banks, mutual funds, and even the crypto projects. So, what's the big deal about it? Well, in Islamic finance, you can't earn money with the interest, like through interest, and businesses must follow the Sharia principles. No alcohol, no gambling, and or speculative trading. And the CSAA teaches you how to check if a financial product truly follows those rules. This examinations has three parts. Number one is Sharia standards. Basically, you become a human encyclopedia of Islamic rulings on finance. And second is auditing and governance. You learn how to audit banks and funds to ensure they stay halal. And number three, that is application and case studies. You deal with the real world scenarios like the Islamic bonds, murabaha financing, and even the crypto ethics. Exams are conducted online or in Bahrain, and candidates from all over the world like Malaysia, UAE, UK, India take it to work as a Sharia auditors and consultants for the Islamic banks. And yes, it's recognized across the Middle Eastern financial institutions. So you are not just certified, you are rewarded. So here is the fun fact. While other finance examination make you solve the valuation problems, this one might ask, is it halal to invest in a company that makes drones for delivery? And you were there balancing the ethics, economics, and drones. That's next level finance philosophy. At Dr. Shorob's classes, we make this heavy Sharia and finance topics simple with stories, real life banking case studies, and of course, humor. We even have the Sharia board discussions where the students argue like Islamic finance judges. It's intense, insightful, and surprisingly fun. Whether you are from Mumbai or Malaysia, our online and one-to-one session help you crack the CSAA without losing your sanity or your sleep. So join today.